Good software design is the secret sauce of many companies, and it's usually a well-guarded secret. But we're about to lift the lid on how we do it.
Great. Welcome to the LMS workshop, which we're hosting with John, Blanca and Niall. So we're going to start with the definition of success, and then we're going to go through the personas, and then look at some use cases, and at the end, okay, we'll review everything.
So we're going to start with definition of success. So for us, I would say one definition of success is that it's easy to use. Our definition of success could be like millions of people using it, but it's in this case, I don't think it is. I think our definition of success is that it's easy to use. And if we say who's it easy to use by, number one, it's got to be the people being trained. But number two, it's the people putting the data on the system.
Yeah.
So in our case, we're looking at the World Health Organization.
Is there something around maybe as well, it being useful? So it's got like the functionality that's important for the user, not just that it's easy, but that it's got like, for example, the AI tooling or those aspects of it that make it, that support the learning.
So I think AI is a definition of success, because otherwise there wouldn't be any point in doing this. And that people like the AI, because some people hate AI, and I think if we do it in the wrong way, people will hate it, and I think if we do it in the right way, people will love it. Personally, I don't have many of the definitions of success for this. It's like, is it easy to use for the people using it? Is it easy to use for the administrators? Does it API into the systems really easily? And we've got API AI into it, so that's like 4 definitions of success for me. I think it should look pretty. That's your job.
Yeah, definitely.
And I think that's important, you know. I think it should be visually appealing.
Yeah. Otherwise you won't really want to come back to it.
Yeah.
Alright, so we want it to be easy to use both for users and admins. It should easily integrate with other systems. We want AI, we want people to like it, so we want it pretty. And we want to be able to import old-fashioned courses as well as have some more modern approaches available.
Aretha wants to see numbers or statistics to do with learners. So how many learners there are on the platform, which courses they're taking. Maybe.
Brilliant. So she wants visibility, and she wants volume. She wants to increase the number of successful people being trained.
Okay, so let's have a look at features and functionality.
Okay, so this part did and usually does take a few hours, but we won't put you through all of that, so we've decided to speed it up a little bit.
Okay, so we're almost done with our workshop, and we really hope you like it. Oh, we have the wireframes left though, so gonna get one of you guys to go through and do a lovely drawing on here.
So I guess, are we going to start from admin point of view in terms of needing a place to be able to create like certain organizations?
Okay. What would an organization look like?
So organization could be a company, or it could be a department. It's a way of grouping people together. We have all internal WHO people in one organization, and we have everybody who's working on going into the field as a different organization. And then if we add you to the going into the field organization, you get to see all of those courses, but you don't necessarily get to see the WHO internal courses. So organization at its very simplest is a company and a company and a company and a company. But in our world, because we're not necessarily always aimed at commercial groups. It's any way that we group someone together, group people together. So internal WHO courses, external people going to the field. Maybe we could have pharmaceuticals as an organisation, but it's just any way that we can group a lot of people together. And they could be literal organisations, as in a company, or they could be notional organisations,
Okay.
as in just these are all the internal staff, these are all the external, these are all the people going to the field, these are all the suppliers. Maybe all the suppliers need to go on courses, anti-slavery and all of the modern, there's a whole list of courses that need to be done.
Thanks a lot for watching, and stay tuned to see the next video where we'll show you the end result.